My attic is, I tell you, I don't know, I hear noises at night, so I got this. This is the Ultrasonic Pest Repellent. So when you open up the box, it's packaged really well. You do have your plug, repellent, and also a manual in here. So this is what it looks like. It has a sound speaker area. It has this information right over here. It also has another one right here. So let me tell you a little bit about this. This product has 4 modes to achieve the effect of repelling mice. It does the testing. It has ultra, trans, duo, and test. It tests the tone to simulate the sound that is heard by the rodent, and it checks whether the device can work. Now ultra, this is just ultrasound. Ultrasound effectively repels the mice and the rodent. The trans, that one actually uses pressure waves, and this is effective for repelling squirrels. So if you have squirrels running around your attic, running around your house, this will help it. Now dual, of course, helps with pressure wave plus ultrasound. It rejects all pests, rodents, and insects, and it's very easy to use. This repellent, this mice repellent, is used by most buyers to repel mice in the attic. So here I've plugged in the adapter, and this is where you can turn the kind of mode you want. So you have the different modes right over here. So of course I'm going to turn it on, and I want to use first of all the test mode. So I'm going to turn it on to test mode, and the color is blue. I can hear the sound. Okay, so ultra mode, and then we have the, you can see it's still blue, the trans mode. Let's change it to the trans mode. So that's the trans mode, and you see the trans mode is green. So I'm changing this to the dual mode, and the dual mode changed the color to blue and green, and I'm going to keep it as the dual mode because I want a combination of the trans wave and the other signals. So let's keep it like that. If you want to keep it as the other mode, you can know that one makes noise, the other one doesn't have sound. So it's up to you, but I'm just going to keep it like this. This is a great tool to have. Very light, very durable. You just have to plug it in and set it down where you know you might have some issues, and you are good to go.